Good morning, it's 8:25 on the 15th of December and I've just been and collected a huge Tesco order. It's like £120. But this is like the pre-Christmas one, so I'm hoping this will last us. We've got my last shop before Christmas I think is being delivered on like the 21st, 22nd. So I'm hoping we're good. Family of 5. I'm going to show you. Look, it's the biggest one I've done, moving some on a chair. So we will start over here out of the way. I did get 3 items of clothing as well. One is here, the other 2 are in the car, which I can't show you because they are presents for the kids. So we've got 3 lemonades, 2 cherries and berry squash and 1 orange, 2 self-raising flour, 1 plain, decaf coffee, cumin, 2 lots of apple and elderflower fizzy. These were £9. These are Foxy's bedtime pants. He just wheezed through all of his nappies, and it's the only thing that kind of doesn't leak as much. But yeah, if anyone has any recommendations for kids that piss a lot at night, let me know please. Fox's too, by the way. I've got strawberries. I've got 2 packets of strawberries. Fox has already opened one. Got this one there, and some raspberries, 3 orange swirls, chocolate chunks because we're going to make a cake, some crumpets, a white farmhouse loaf, some Jaffa cakes. I'm like restocking the kids because the kids are at school, aren't at school now. We pulled them out of school for the rest of the term, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. We've just done it, so that's why I've got extra food because they're going to be at home more. Wholemeal pittas, some cookies, mini chocolate fingers. I got myself some orange jam buttons to have in the fridge. This is one of the little things I got. This is for my friend's little girl, and I just thought it was so cute. It was like £8 for the set. The other 2 bits of clothes I got were £14 and £12. I got the kids some toothbrushes, some lean mints, some Twix tops. I absolutely love these. They're like 106 calories each and they are delicious. Some little pickup minis. These are really nice little snacks for the kids. I got some snack bags, some freezer bags, just for leftovers and stuff over Christmas because I like to have them to put things in the freezer. I got 3 cans of sweet corn, 2 there, I don't know what the other ones here. The kids and Ben helped me put on all this, which is why it's chaotic. I got 2 blue toilet cleaner thingies, 2 lots of these. These smell amazing. I've got 3 toilets, so I got 2 packets of those. There's a cat. I got some mushrooms for Mika. I got some Power Active tablets. I usually get the stuff that foams in the toilet, but they didn't have that, but I think this does a similar job. Some Pizza Bases, cat, Binks. This is like your least helpful thing to do, just bugger off, mister. I got Ben a load of noodle pots for work, so he's got a Malaysian style, oh no, I think that one's for me, a Malaysian style curry. I thought that looked nice. And then I got him firecracker noodles, sweet chili noodles and katsu curry. 2 lots of milk. This will last us about probably until Saturday or Sunday, and then we'll have to go again to get more milk. But Ben will get that on his way home from work if we need more. A really big block of cheese. I've got Ben an orange juice, 3 lots of passata for my pantry, some ham and some pastrami for sandwiches for the kids at lunchtimes. Sausage balls for the kids, green beans, 2 lots of beans and sausages, 2 cans of pinto beans, and 1 can of kidney beans. I keep accidentally buying this because it's on, when you do like the online ordering, all of these are together and I just assume it's a noodle pot, and it's not. It's something that has to be cooked in a pan. So that's annoying. Ben can't do that at work, so I'm sure he'll have it at home. Hummus, 2 lots of like parmesan stuff, just because we go through so much of this, it's ridiculous. Some shallots, because I'm going to do a risotto one night and shallots work really nicely in risotto. 24 free range medium eggs, because our chickens have kind of stopped laying now for the winter. And 2 peppers, a cucumber, some tomatoes, which I'm a bit annoying. That one's got mould on it, which is really annoying. So I'm going to just open this, give them a wash and pick out the mouldy one. Stuff like this, like you'd hope, this says it's going to last till the 20th of December, but there's already mould on it and it's the 15th today. There's no way that will last. A sweet potato. I got myself these were on 4 for £3. Vanilla yogurt and granola, they are absolutely delicious. So I've got 4 of those. I got 3 lots of this cheddar. It's like the nicest cheese ever, and it's 3 for a £5, so I've got 3 of those. 2 lots of broccoli, there's another one there. Some onions, some lemon and lime, a big chicken, some bacon, a big parsnip, because we're going to do, because the kids this week are missing out on the Christmas lunch at school, the roast dinner, so I'm just going to do one on Friday instead. 2 courgettes. We're making a courgette cake, and normally the courgettes you get are tiny, and I only need 1, but these are ginormous, so I'm just going to grate it and freeze it, the ones that I don't use. 2 carrots, the other broccoli, huge thing of what's it. Sugar snap peas for me because she loves them. A cauliflower, a big thing of quavers, leeks and celery because I'm going to make some soup for the week. 4 bags of these because me and Ben are absolutely obsessed with them, and they're still on offer, so while they're on offer I'm stocking up. Another one of the protein chocolate milk. 3 lots of kids tube yogurts, lettuce, 2 lots of fizzy for me, and these were on offer. These are normally £8.50 each, but they were £6.50 each on offer, and that's what me and Ben drink. So yeah, that was the shop. I'll put it all away and then we'll have a chat about the meal plan. Hi, it's much later. We put the shopping away this morning and then we just got on with our day. I thought we would just quickly come on and do a little bit of a food plan. The kids are at home for the week. Today is Wednesday. Their last day of school should have been this Friday. So I've got lunches and stuff for them as well. So we've got like extra bits, like extra ham and eggs. Like Mika had an omelette today, and extra fruit and stuff because they go through a lot of fruit, and extra yogurts. Tomorrow night we're having the like party dinner, like school roast dinner, obviously at home. So we're having chicken, and then we'll have all the trimmings with that, so roast potatoes, Yorkshire puddings and all that good stuff. And then Friday I think we're having pizza night. Saturday I'm pretty sure Ari said she wants spaghetti bolognese. Sunday I think I'm gonna do, I'll probably use the leftover mince, and Mika will probably have it on a jacket potato. Ari will probably just have spaghetti bolognese again, and then I'll turn the leftover mince from the bolognese into Cajun pasta for me and Ben, because we both really, really like that. Which is just like, it's like basic bolognese, but you add Cajun spices and cheese, like cheese triangles, which sounds disgusting but it's yummy, and then sweet corn, and it's just delicious. And then we're gonna have risotto one night. I'm gonna try falafel again for the kids. We'll see if they need it or not. I don't think they will, but I like it. But yeah, that's kind of the meal plan for the week, and then before we know it, it'll be Christmas. So it's next week, isn't it? Is it next week? It's next Sunday, next Saturday. I swear this year has just gone so fast. Anyway, yeah, that was the meal plan. I'm just blowing my own mind that Christmas is next week. If you like this kind of video, please do give this one a big thumbs up. I'm whispering, by the way, because it's bedtime, and Ben has just put the little one to bed, and he has been playing up I don't want to wake him up because then I'll have to go in there and I want to watch Grimm. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.